Hi guys, what's up everybody? I hope you're doing well. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make porridge in the village. I'm going to show you how to make porridge. And guys, if you're new here, my name is Rita Kipike. This is my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed and you're watching this video, kindly hit that subscription button, please, and support me wherever you are, from wherever you're coming from. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make porridge in the village. So as you can see, this is a 3-stone stove, though it's made in a style. Okay, so this is our water, this is our karai and fire. So what we are going to do first, we are going to add, this is citric acid. So citric acid will just add some flavor. So first thing, we will add citric acid to our hot water, all of it. This one here in Kenya, it goes for 5 shillings. This packet of this is 5 shillings. So as you can see, our water is almost boiling. Meanwhile, we are going to make our flour, porridge flour, so that we can make uji with it. So we also have githeri. Githeri is maize and beans mixed together. That is githeri. For those who don't know, here in Kenya, this is our breakfast meal. We love it so much. So this is githeri. Githeri, as I said, it's beans and maize mixed together and cooked. So we will use this. We will take this one and put. So this is our porridge flour. This is our porridge flour. So what we are going to do, we are going to add water. That is enough. Then we will stir. In the meantime, our water is getting ready. Are you seeing? Our water is getting ready. So in the next 2 minutes, it will be ready. So this porridge is very nutritious, even with kids, lactating mothers. Generally, it will boost your immune system. And this is how we make fire, so that doesn't go off. So hapa, here at home, we don't have a gas. This is what we use. Using the fire. As you can see, our water is ready. It's boiling. So the next thing we will also have is sugar and extra water. Extra water. So what you do first, you stir your water. Then you add your flour, your porridge flour, then you stir very well until you get the consistency. Then you add water so that it doesn't become too thick. We don't want it too thick. We also don't want it too light. So guys, as you can see, our porridge is almost ready. Our porridge is almost ready. This is very nutritious. If you have babies and you are giving your babies tea every day, tea, no. Sometimes change their diet. Give them porridge maybe twice a day at 10 a.m. in the morning and at 3 p.m. in the evening. This is very nutritious. You will see the change in your baby's health. And by the way, this is sorghum and cassava. This is sorghum and cassava. Natural from the farm. Pure organic. Very nutritious. Now remember guys, at this point we have not added sugar yet. Reason being, my dad does not take sugar, or some of us don't take sugar, so we will remove a bit of it and then the rest we will add sugar. So if you don't know how to make porridge, watch this. You will love it, and you will make porridge for your kids, for your visitors, for your friends, for yourself, for your lactating mother, friend, for your lactating wife. This is very nice. It's not too thick, it's not too light. It's really nice. So at this point it's very ready. It's very ready. The only thing we'll do, I'm going to divide the ones that doesn't have sugar, and then the rest I will add sugar. But guys, I wish you were here to taste this. It's really nice. Very nice. So this one is not bought from the supermarket. No. This one is made. It has been the cassava was removed from the garden. Sorghum was bought from the market and then taken to the portion mill. So this one is not packed. It's not packed. Okay. This one is locally made, natural, purely organic. I will repeat that 20 times. Purely organic. So we also have to taste. It's really nice, very nice. So I will just remove a bit, then the rest we will add sugar. So this is what I'll use to remove some. Sorry. Then we will put this one here. So guys, this one is sugarless. This is sugarless. It has no sugar. So the rest, we will add sugar. For those one who are taking sugar, that is enough. And then we will stir. So this one is ready. This is very ready. So if you didn't know how to make porridge, there is the recipe.